Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm you're online and using the exact Gmail address you expect. Once done, check device clock and time zone because mismatches block sign-ins. Next, open Gmail in an incognito/private window or update the Gmail app. This skips cached errors. If issues persist, clear your browser cache and cookies or reinstall the app to remove corrupted data. Make sure to try a second browser or device to isolate the problem quickly. You now handle the middle steps. Confirm the password and whether two-step verification is active. If so, generate an app password for older apps. Once done, run Google's security checkup to confirm devices, permissions, and recovery phone/email. Also make sure your browser allows cookies and JavaScript since Gmail needs them. If you use a mail client, update its settings to use OAuth 2. Finally, update your browser or the Gmail app to the latest version. Finish by running the account recovery flow. Reset the password using the recovery email or phone and answer security questions. Once done, remove the Gmail account from the device or mail client and re-add it freshly, making sure to use correct server and OAuth settings. If sign-in still fails, use Google's CAPTCHA unlock page or check third-party app access in your account security settings. Pro tip: if nothing works, try signing in on a different network or device to rule out local ISP or device-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.